Hello everyone, welcome to TimeChamp. I am Praveen Chitojo. In this video, I will walk you through how TimeChamp's employee monitoring software works and how you can get started in just 4 simple steps. Getting started with TimeChamp is easier than you think. You can quickly set up your workspace, invite your team, and start getting a clear view of how work gets done. Step number 1, create your account. First, create your account, sign up for free in just a couple of minutes. With no credit card required, enter your details. Click sign up and you are ready to go. It's quick and simple. Step number 2, invite your team. Add employees, organize them into teams and departments, and deploy the app across their devices in just a few clicks. Step 3, configure workflows and policies. Now make TimeChamp work in your way. Set work hours, productivity rules, and monitoring preferences based on how your team operates. Choose how tracking works. Set permissions and customize settings to match your workflow. Step 4, start monitoring and gain full visibility into work. Track employees' activity, attendance, and productivity from one platform. View app and website usage, screenshots, live screens, idle time, and work patterns in real time to understand how work gets done. And that's it. In just 4 simple steps, you can set up TimeChamp and get complete visibility into your workforce. Start your free trial today and see how easily employee monitoring can be with TimeChamp. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to explore more TimeChamp features in our upcoming videos.